Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a document in the Google Docs app. But for that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Docs app. And here, it opens up in the Drive files where we have our documents. From here, we just tap on the three dots. And then tap on Share. And here we can add people or groups. Here we can just type in the email address of people, and then send them the sharing link by which they can access the document. And here at the bottom we can manage access, and yeah, we can customize this. But this is the place where we can share it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.